While other empires expanded through bloodshed, one civilization built its dominance not with swords but scrolls. This empire established courts before barracks, writing laws that would govern millions across 3 continents for centuries. Its secret? A radical belief that lasting power comes from justice, not force. In the empire's earliest days, 12 scholars carved 200 laws into black basalt at the capital's heart. Unlike Hammurabi's punitive rules, these statutes emphasized restitution, fair trade, and civic duty. Remarkably, the code mandated elected judges, a concept unheard of in neighboring despotic states. Instead of garrisons, the empire sent circuit judges riding white mules to every province. These jurists heard cases under open skies, their authority deriving from consent, not coercion. Records show 83% of disputes resolved without execution, a staggering statistic for the ancient world. At bustling trade hubs, multilingual scribes recorded contracts in 12 languages under standardized commercial laws. When disputes arose, merchant guilds preferred these courts over violent retaliation. Cross-border trade grew 400% in 2 generations. The law became more valuable than any army. When nomadic tribes demanded territory in 312 BCE, the empire didn't mobilize troops. Instead, it offered grazing rights contracts and dispute arbitration. Archaeologists found these treaties intact, written in both languages, with penalties for violations by either side. Not a single battle was fought. In 290 BCE, Emperor Darius II's favorite minister was publicly tried for embezzling grain taxes. Shockingly, common farmers testified against him. The convicted chancellor received not execution but restitution duties, proving no one stood above the law, not even the imperial household. Only when rebel governor Mithridates burned courthouses in 880 BCE did the empire reluctantly deploy soldiers, but with strict mandates. Troops protected legal institutions, never replaced them. Military governors were required to study law and served limited terms to prevent warlordism. By 100 CE, later emperors began bypassing courts, appointing corrupt officials who answered only to the throne. As legal scholars were exiled, mercenaries replaced judges. Tax collectors arrived with soldiers, not contracts, the very corruption the system was designed to prevent. Modern scholars identify 47 direct influences from this empire's legal code in today's international laws, particularly its concepts of proportional punishment and victim compensation. The Hague's arbitration courts consciously mirror its dispute resolution models from 20,300 years prior. This empire's 600-year dominance proves societies thrive when laws, not weapons, lead the way. Its decline warns us. When justice becomes ritual rather than reality, force inevitably takes over. As we face global crises today, will we build systems of contracts or conquests? The answer may determine civilization's survival.